Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to guide you in making your first homemade latte. With this machine, there are so many ways to explore, so let's get brewing. First, make sure you've primed your machine. Plug it in, but don't turn it on. Fill the plunger with water, then tip upside down. Press and hold the temperature button for 3 seconds until lights turn on. Press the start button. Insert the plunger into the hole in the back of the machine where the water tank usually is. Squeeze water to empty the plunger. When you see water start to dispense out the front, press the start button again to finish. Then, fill up your water tank. Just remember to condition your water filter first. Add your favorite beans to the bean hopper and lock it into place. Grab your portafilter basket from underneath the drip tray. Choose either a double or single wall basket for 1 or 2 shots. We recommend using a single wall, 2-shot basket for added control when making a latte. Place the basket in the portafilter. Then, set the portafilter under the grinder. Pick your grind size and grind amount. For a 2-shot latte, right here is a good place to start. Set your portafilter down on a flat surface and use your tamper to give the grounds a good, even tamping to right about here. Once you're done, position your portafilter in and lock it into place, like this. Use the mode buttons to choose espresso, shot amount, and desired temp. Then press start. As your espresso dispenses, or extracts as they say, check your pressure gauge to make sure it's hitting the sweet spot, anywhere within the espresso range. Miss the range? That's okay. Try out some of these modifications. Tweak your grind size. Modify your grind amount. Change your tamping pressure. Switch to a double wall basket. Next, let's get steaming. Toggle your mode button over to steam. Then, fill the milk pitcher up to a little less than halfway. Angle your steam wand into the top of the milk, near the side of the pitcher. Then, press start. When the pitcher is too hot to hold, you'll know your milk is frothed. To finish, simply pour your steamed milk over the espresso. If you think it's good now, just wait till your next one. Now get exploring.